Hi my loves, welcome back to Chinny's channel. So in this video we're going to be unboxing our Yves Rocher package. A lot of products are in here, but we're going to go into it one after the other. Let's dive into it and see what we got. I usually use the word we because we are families. You are me, you are watching me, so I'm including you in me, and which makes it we. So I won't say what I got. It's we that got it. It's both of us, all of us. 4,000 plus of us got it. In this pack, it already comes with the opening side, which is here. You can open it from here. That's also in between, but in case of unboxing with other people, you don't need to open from here. You can do that if only you want to use it personal, you don't want to do unboxing. So but unboxing it, all of them, is the best way to communicate with my followers. I have opened it and this is how the inside of it looks like. Basically, you will see a lot of products and maybe some products that I have not used. I really closed my eyes to get them because I've been craving for them for a very long time. The first product on our list today is this SPF 30, which is so beautiful. So this, you can use it in beach when you're going to the beach. It's just for body and face as well. It's a spray one. So I actually got this because the one I have that I've been using 2 years ago is still remaining. Although I don't use it in everything, but I absolutely love it. So it helps to protect you from the sun if you are always or constantly outside the sun. So I got this. It's so good. Like, look at the product, is amazing. It's so good. Everything written there is the work. Thank God I laid my hand on this, but the product expensive. So the next one, I got this anti-dandruff shampoo, and I also got the rich cream. This one, this cream is so beautiful. I highly recommend it. If you're a Yves Rocher fan and you're looking for body lotion, I highly recommend this particular one. And I think that this one is a new product because before it was in a glass that my baby was using. The last time I bought it, it was in a glass, okay, and very short, but now it's lotion. Is so beautiful. I have this package. What is this? Can I dictate what is inside there? This package, it doesn't have a name, but there is something inside. I think they wrap it. Okay. Can you guys see? Look at that. This is absolutely beautiful. Oh, beauty to behold. This is a shampoo. I think a body shampoo, nourishing. Oh, for hair. Is a nourishing hair. I used to buy this in supermarket, but definitely not the Rocher type, but this one is for dry hair. I do get it at the supermarket, a shampoo for dry hair, but I saw it in the Rocher and it was in discount regardless, but still expensive at the same time. I bought it, so I'm happy they packaged it this way so that it won't be able to throw away or pour away or whatever. So yeah, at least now we have shampoo for hair. Then the next one, we have this anti-hair fall shampoo. This is conditioner. What is wrong today? What's going on? Because I'm not understanding anything. What's going on, Chinny? This is anti-hair fall shampoo. Oh, I got it and we're using it. It's absolutely good. It helps to limit hair fall. If you use it very well, it helps. So next one, I have this on board. So this is Yves Rocher's Sebo Vegetal. This is one of their recent products that really came out. Trust me guys when I say that this product recently came out. It's so good. This product works like magic. When I say magic, God please forgive me for using the word magic, but trust me guys, this product, if you have anything, like I don't know names of things, but trust me, it works. If you have pimples, rashes, breakouts, pigment, whatever it is, use this product. It cures it. Absolutely, it cures it. Guess what? I ended up getting it 4. This is 2, 3, 4. I got it 4. You won't believe it. I got it 4. I'm so excited because it was in discount. And guess what? It's not only this one. It's not 4 of them. It's do come with together with this here. This one is the gel for cleaning makeup. This is gel for cleaning makeup, and basically it stays together and they sell it in discount. So I'm like, this is opportunity. I don't need to take only one. I need it all of them, like I mean all. But you know, as a merciful girl, I took only 4. I'm not that greedy, so that I won't be in a haste to get another one. I love this product so much. This product is 1 in a million. And the best part is that I'm not stopping to buy it soon. I can't wait to pack all of them because it works so well. And besides, the reason I got this for is that this is a gel purifying cleansing gel. Let me show you guys closer. You will see where it is written there. This gel, I have been looking for this to wash my face all over the Italian supermarkets. I can't say all, but in my area I have searched for several times. I can't find it. You guys can believe I can't find a soap for face. I can't find. The one that I managed to find is not even foaming, which is so frustrating. I used to use green tea, but it finished. I can't buy it from Notino. Then I decided to get it from, I hope this one will form, because if this one is not forming, girl, I'm just giving up in this country because it's not making sense. You can't tell me that everyone in this country, nobody washes their face. You can't tell me that. And you know, shampoo for body is not the same as face. They are 2 different people. I can't use the one for body to wash my face. That's not my line. Okay, but the shampoo of the condition, which is the anti-hair fall shampoo, you have to, for something to work for you, or you not even if you have to, for something to work genuinely for you, you need to get the shampoo and the condition, because that is the only way that both of them can actually work without stress. Our carton is getting empty, but the products have not finished. Let's keep searching to see what we have here. So here we have some things. I think there is something inside here also. This is their pack. Something is inside. I said it. I know my people now. My people know me. So the cream that I bought or whatever, they added these things for me. Look at that. They added a lot of it for me. So now I have it so much. And let me open it for you guys to see. Let's find out. So they gave me this to try out. It's a product. Whenever you get this, it means a product to try out. I didn't buy them. So this shampoo, they want me to try it out, because anytime I buy something, I usually get this shampoo. So they want me to try it out. So they gave me 2. Maybe it's their new product, because I've not seen this, their new product. So I'm gonna try it out. And this is my perfume. My perfume is here. So they gave me the perfume again to try out as well in a towel form, maybe to clean up. So because they don't want it to spoil, they ended up putting it in this carton. So lovely. Rocher, thank you. Thank you so much. I love that. Oh, I got this. Yeah. So, oh, why are you guys not hitting the drum now? It's not easy. Hit the drum, Terry. I ended up getting this. You guys, I have been craving to have this SPF 50. I've not had it all my life. I've been using the 30 plus for the past 2 years, and I finally lay my hand on this. I can't wait to carry it. And guess what, guys? I got the highest rubber. Like, this is the 150. You can see it. I got the big one. I didn't get the small one, but I got the 150. Expensive, huh? Yeah, but it's worth it. It's worth it. I love it. I can't wait to be using it, and it smells so amazing. I can't wait to be using it for my face. And the lovely part is that if I apply this on my face, and I'll spray this on my face for maximum protection or whatever. I don't know how you speak the English, but trust me, to protect my face from sunburn. Yeah, I ended up having this clarifying lotion. What? Is this clarifying lotion or whatever? Oh no, I thought it was cream. No, I thought it was the cream. It's not the cream. It's whether the tonic or what, you use it to clean your face or so, something like that, before applying the this thing. But anyways, I will keep it. I thought it's the cream. I thought it was the body cream. This product was given to me freely. Okay, so when you make a big purchase, you get it free. So here I have, this is the mascara, their mascara, and this is the how it looks like. It's beautiful. And I also got this lipstick, this lip color here. It's for free too. It's free. They are colorful lipstick. It's free. But I think this one is just lip balm or something like that. Then it's free, and I got this lipstick. Oh, let me show you guys. This is so beautiful. Look at that, guys. This lipstick is so beautiful. Look at the design, everything. Ah, it's not making, like, look at the look. You see the shade there. So beautiful. Let me open it. Wow. So beautiful. I love this. Look, this is red. Oh my goodness, this is so beautiful. This is free. And they also give me this, this is lip gloss. I don't have any other products to be told. Yeah, over here I have the next album, which is the Festa de la Mama. But the Festa de la Mama, I think it has passed. It starts, it's currently on. It's currently on. It's not yet over. It's currently on. So I'm going to go through it to see other things that I need. Then I'll be able to place my order. But hey, thank you so much, Yves Rocher, for this amazing mascara and lipstick that you guys gave to me. I absolutely love it. It makes so much sense, and I can't wait to rock it. And yeah, that's basically all we got from Yves Rocher. I'm still trying to see. Oh, they added this one again. Repeat after me. Yves Rocher is the best. So they added this one for me, which is the one I got 4 pieces. They added a lot of it for me. Look at that, the creams of that. You see it? Oops, they fell down. How it looks like. For now, we're going to start using this one. Then later we'll start using the rest. There's nothing here more. This is the paper for the list of the things I bought, and also the payment, which I've already paid before. That's all that is remaining here. I hope you guys really enjoyed this unboxing as much as I do. So if you do, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, baby, and of course subscribe in the subscribe button. I can't wait to see you all in my next one, and of course I love you guys. Bye.